Hi guys! So for today's video, we have a special guest because it's Grandparents' Day. So titignan natin, itetest natin kung kaya pa ni Lola, right?
No
Ate
bashing.
Sky?
Yes.
Yung
No
ipapagawa
bashing.
nung nagvi-video. Okay. So what are the mechanics?
Okay, so basically, I'm going to tell you guys what to say, and then you have to put an emotion.
Ay, naku, napanood ko na yan.
Okay. Okay, game.
Ay, naku,
Ready?
sabi. Ayoko nun, dami nun.
No,
eh.
let's
No,
try.
it's okay. Let's just try. Don't pangunahan it. Game.
Okay, who's going first?
Okay, me.
Okay, so the statement is, uy, buntis ka.
Uy, buntis ka.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Say it na.
Wait, siya magsasabi kung paano isa-say.
Sad,
Isa-say.
happy.
No, say it.
The age
Oh,
of the
sige.
person saying it.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. 15 years old.
15 years old.
Yeah.
Yung magsasabi. Sorry. 15 years old. Uy, buntis ka?
That's your reaction?
Or the pregnant woman is 15 years old. Wait, bro! So yung...
I'm so disappointed
No,
right
no,
now.
kasi...
ang tagal niyan.
Ang ibig sabihin, the girl is pregnant at 15.
Yes.
Okay, buntis yung 15 years old. Tapos paano mo sasabihin yung, oy, buntis ka? Ako muna. Uy, buntis ka? Okay. You. 15 yung buntis ha? Paano mo sasabihin?
Uy, ang bata mo pa.
Ba't may dagdag sa lyrics? Ay, sa lahat.
Nag-improve.
Walang gayahan kasi.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Statement lang eh. Okay. Uy, buntis ka ulit. And then?
Next, 18 years old.
Uy, buntis ka? 18 years old now.
Hindi na ganun ka nun. No?
Go.
Hindi gaya-gaya na lang.
Ang cute nila.
Uy, buntis ka?
18.
Wow, 18. Okay,
So hanggang anong edad ba yan?
Let's see. Bakit may funny yan?
25.
25. Uy, buntis ka?
Hindi, hanggang 60 yan.
Ikaw ma, 25 na yung buntis. Uy, buntis ka?
Uy, buntis ka?
35.
Uy, buntis ka? 35 yun na buntis.
Uy, buntis ka?
Parang
Parang babalik ulit yan doon sa 15.
Yeah.
Pag nag-edad
The
na.
next,
50.
50? 50 years old. Uy, buntis ka? 50 man na buntis.
Huh? Buntis ka?
Ganyan reaction mo. Ano naman?
Ganun din reaction namin, mommy got pregnant, Lola got pregnant at 45. It's like,
44.
ay, 44. Then we were like, huh? Buntis ka na naman?
You know,
It's you.
women who get pregnant over 35, their kids can have.
No, don't say. It's more risky na lang. It's more risky for women to get pregnant as they age.
Yeah, they can have. Okay, last one. 60 years old.
Buntis ka? 60 ma.
Impossible. Miracle?
Iba yung line. Okay. So now, that was the first, uy, buntis ka, emotions. And then, next is,
Okay, next you're gonna say, wow, okay. But instead of emotions, I'm gonna give you a scenario, and you have to act upon it.
okay.
Okay. Example, like, wait.
Ang tagal naman.
No, sorry. Next.
So where the phrase is, uy, my boyfriend ka.
May boyfriend ka na lang, may boyfriend ka. Kasi we use uy na kanina eh.
Okay, so my boyfriend ka.
May boyfriend ka.
Okay. That's the phrase.
Okay, that's a phrase or sentence.
So first scenario, the boyfriend is cute.
May boyfriend ka? Cute daw yung boyfriend. Ikaw na.
Ano ba yan? Dami mga
Ano ba yan? May boyfriend.
Ayaw ko na mga
Sige na, next. May boyfriend ka, sasabihin lang eh.
Tapos ano yung susunod?
No, that's the last one.
Go.
May boyfriend ka? Ayoko na eh.
Last three.
Okay, next scenario. The boyfriend is not cute, but he's rich.
May boyfriend ka?
Para doon lang nag-lipstick mo tayo.
Mayaman na pero hindi cute. Kunyari, huwag mo na baka sabihin ko yung pangalan, baka
May boyfriend ka?
Wow.
Next.
Next.
This is just for fun, ha? Next is...
Sabi na, abutin ako ng...
The next scenario, the boyfriend looks old.
May boyfriend ka? Matanda na yung boyfriend mo. Go.
May boyfriend ka?
Ang judgmental! For this video,
Kayo sabi ni
with emotions din. Sarap. So, first emotion is
At least,
disappointed.
At least, ano,
Pero sasabihin, sarap.
at least isang kwarto na lang inactivan, no?
Okay?
Diba?
Okay, sarap, disappointed. Ano ba yan? Sige na. Sarap.
Video dito.
Okay. Sarap, disappointed.
Kasi iniwan namin Hulga eh. Kaya humahapon.
lang sa mukha.
Sarap.
Sarcastic. Sarap.
Oo nga, English.
Next is sarcastic. Sarap.
ulit yan. Iisa lang reaction sa lahat.
Ay, ganon. O sige, tabay ka.
Sarap.
Now,
Bibisita
supportive.
kay Odds na
Sarap.
Janjo.
Sarap!
Sarap, supportive.
Your phone's there on the table.
Sarap.
Isa lang. Yeah, very
Supportive
supportive.
Masarap.
Oh, yeah.
Lasang kape.
Wala, sang kape ba? OA naman.
And then last,
Dami
Yung
mo
pancit
nalang
ulit.
ganyan dito.
Ano mo yan?
flirty. Sarap.
Di ba may inadanan silang birthday sa ano kapon sa Shangri-La BGC?
Sarap.
Parang
Dapat sarap.
Sarap! Daw yun.
It's flirty. Sarap.
Sarap.